Hi viewer, welcome to another episode of Kansiris. In this video we will discuss why need a microservice. Please like this video if you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel for more updated videos like this. Why need a microservice? This architectural approach to developing software gives more modularity, being lightweight, and the ability to share similar functionalities across multiple applications. It is a major way of designing and optimizing app development towards a cloud-native model. To develop quality software, the faster development process for change in existing software features, easy to tackle any runtime issues after deployment into production. As we have challenges in every positive idea, microservices also have the challenges like managing them, aligning them to work without downtimes, because we maintain them in different servers and have to deal with the data and databases they use for transactions. Advantages of microservices. Microservices give development teams and testers a faster approach through distributed development. Provides the ability to develop multiple microservices simultaneously. This means more developers working on the same app but different functional modules at the same time. This results in a less deliverable time of application to the client. Below are some critical points you can observe positively in microservices. Faster development. Since the application is designed into smaller modules, development time is shortened. A microservices architecture supports a more agile development process. Multiple teams can work on each module feature to develop and deliver separately. High scalability. As user demand for some services in application grows, you can deploy those services across multiple servers and infrastructures to meet your needs. As much as the usage of services increases by end users, easily the deployment and extending of microservice can be handled by load balancing. Resilient and independency. The independent services, after properly developed and orchestrated, to not impact one another. This means that one service failed to work, the whole app won't go down, unlike the monolithic application model. Easy of deployment. Because the microservice-based applications are more modular than traditional monolithic applications, the problems that came with application deployments and application downtimes are reduced. Accessibility for development. Since the larger app is broken down into smaller modules, developers can easily understand, update, and enhance the new changes, which results in fast development cycles, if planned with agile development methodologies. More open. Microservices are not a particular language technology dependent. Developers are free to choose any best language and technology. In our current article, we will discuss .NET technology stack. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching our video. I am Sirish Kantamaneni. Please like this video if you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel for more updated videos like this. You are watching Kansiris.